Welcome to Ideal Kin. Grow your knowledge for your daily progressive life. Success. Everyone wants to succeed, but is it easily available? Is there an easy way to success? Today we will tell you a very beautiful motivational story that will take you to the peak of success. Will help you move forward. So keep watching to the end with the mind. And let's go. Today we focus on you are unique. Think what a remarkable, unduplicatable, and miraculous thing it is to be you. Of all the people who have come and gone on the earth since the beginning of time, not one of them is like you. No one who has ever lived or is to come has had your combination of abilities, talents, appearance, friends, acquaintance, burdens, sorrow, and opportunities. No, no one's hair grows exactly the way yours does. No one's fingerprints are like yours. No one has the same combination of secrets, inside jokes, and family expression that you know. The few people who laugh at all the same things you do, don't sing the way you do. No one cares about exactly the same concern as you do. No one is loved by the same combination of people that love you. No one. No one before, no one to come. You are absolutely unique. Enjoy that uniqueness. You do not have to pretend in order to seem more like someone else. You are not meant to be like someone else. You do not have to lie to console the part of you that are not like what you see in anyone else. You are meant to be different. Nowhere ever in all of history will the same thing be going on the anyone's mind, soul and spirit. Are you are going on the yours right now? If you did not exist, there would be a hole in creation, a gap in history, something missing from the plan for humankind. Treasures your uniqueness. It is a gift given only to you. Enjoy it and share it. No one can reach out to others in the same way that you can. No one can speak your words. No one can convey your meanings. No one can comfort with your kind of comfort. No one can bring your kind of understanding to another person. No one can be cheerful and light-hearted and joyous in your ways. No one can smile your smile. No one else can bring the whole unique impact of you to another human being. Share your uniqueness. Let it to be free to follow out among your family and friends and people you meet in the rush and clutter of living wherever you are. That gift of yourself was given you to enjoy and share. Give yourself away. See it, receive it, let it tackle you, let it inform you and nurse you and inspire you. You are unique. A request to us at the end of it all. If you like the video so much, share it with your loved ones. You can say that one of your shares can change their lives and encourage us with a like. Then let us know in the comments which topic you want the video, because our only purpose is to help you. And to be the first to get our video, subscribe to the channel and stay connected with by turning on the bell icon. Subscribe one time but benefits lifetime. Next video next day, just 7 for 40 p.m. Thank you for watching.